Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I will be showing you today how you can create an amazing and unique AI cartoon pictures or photos, how you can convert any picture to AI pictures or cartoon pictures. Today in this video guys, I have a step-by-step trick. I have a website and application for you, amazing and unique application that you don't have to pay in order to use. So I will be showing you how you can possibly create an AI cartoon pictures by just using your own picture and any picture that you want to use. So guys, here without wasting much time, please I request you to watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required. So guys, as you can see, this is the interface of the website. This is the website. It is a very simple website, and these are some of the pictures that you can be able to see, and they are all AI. So it's very simple website or application to use, and I'll also show you how to get the application. So how do we do this, guys? In order to do this, here we have to click on the icon here, drag and drop a click here. I know you'll be asking yourself the name of the website or application. I will be showing you the name of this website shortly. So guys, as you can see here, what you're going to be doing here, you have to click on it like this. So guys, once you click on it, it's going to take you to your gallery or your camera. You can be able to snap yourself automatically. You can be able to take some selfie automatically. So guys, here, let's go to my gallery, and I will be selecting a picture here to use. I will select a picture here to use. So guys, as you can see here, I will scroll down, and guys, as you can see here, this is the picture I will be using. This is the picture I will be using. This is the picture I will be using. So guys, here I click on it like this. So guys, but please, before I show you further how to use this application, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please, we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on our channel, you will be the first person to be notified. So guys, as you can see here, we have it will be asking you to choose either female or male. Here you just have to, depending on the kind of picture you're uploading, if you're a female, you upload you click on female. If you're a male, you click on male. So I'm currently uploading a male picture, so I will click on male. So guys, then you have to wait for at least few seconds in order for this video, for this picture to load, to be converted automatically to AI. So guys, as you can see here, it says upload a selfie, and an AI will generate a portrait painting in your likeness. Well lit close-up selfie gives the best result. So guys, here you have to stay on the website. As you can see, it's already loading, so you have to stay on the website until it is done. So guys, you're gonna wait for just a few seconds. Let's see. So guys, as you can see here, we have this picture, and then you can be able to create thousands of this kind of pictures. You can be able to create thousands of them, and then you can also create a new one again. You can create a new one. Once you click on this new, it will be leading up. And guys, the name of this website is, this is the name of this website, instant portrait. Yeah, instant portrait, like this, portrait.com. This is the name of the website. I will be dropping it on the description for easy access. So guys, as you can see, it's loading in order to create a new one. Now if you want the application, you can be able to click. If you are using iPhone, we have App Store, then we have Google Play. So for instance, I'm using Android, so I'll click on Google Play, and then it will take you directly to the website. So guys, this is the web, this is the application. And the application looks more and more easier than the website. So I will be on my next video, I will show you a very a nice way in order to use the application. I'll be showing you how you can use the application, the best way to use the application. So please, if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe. Once again, like our video, don't forget to share and comment below. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye bye.